Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look at how we can install the Splunk. What is Splunk? Splunk is a SIEM software, which means like most of the organization using the SIEM software to collect and analyze the data. Splunk is the most popular one and they are offering 60-day free trial for us to get hands-on with that platform. There are some other tools like Waza and Microsoft Sentinel, that sort of one, but I'm interested to check out this Splunk and let's see how it looks like, how we can install and how we can practice this specific SIEM software. First of all, we need to download this software. I'm gonna go to the Google, simply google.com, and then we'll download the Splunk download, and then you can go to the Splunk website. Here you have to fill these details. If you don't have a business email, which is fine, we can use, I think, Minute Inbox for this. Yeah, we will go there and then we'll copy the email address over here in the Minute Inbox. Copy this one, go back to here, email address here. You can put any password. Put my password. You can put your name. This is a simple setup, like this is for lab environment. You don't have to provide like exact same details, which is fine. And the phone number, you can give anything you want. And you can put any company name and your country and the postal code. And then click I agree and create your account. Then it will ask the security verification. You can simply fill that security verification and then you have to wait a bit. It will send an email to your given business email over here. Okay, it says captcha cannot verify. We'll try again. Motorcycle verified. Yep, now you will get the verification email like this. Simply you have to click verify your email. I'm gonna use it in the Windows 11 desktop version. You can use any of these. Simply click download. If you want to move, you can go there and you can check. And there are some SHA-512 verification as well. You can check that one as well. So we'll wait for download and then we'll install this one after downloading. Yep, now the file was downloaded. We can open the file from here, or else we can go to the folder. We can simply check properties. It's a Microsoft Windows installer. Looks legit. I'm not gonna check the hash verification and I'm going to directly install this one. You can simply double click this and you can try to install this one in here. I'm doing this on my Windows 11 virtual machine, which is specifically I set up for this Splunk server installation. So you can use VirtualBox or VMware to do that, like me. Check this checkbox, and if you want, you can go with customize option. Otherwise, you can directly click next. I'm gonna go with customize option to see what's inside. Usually it's installation location. I'm not going to change this one. Click next, and it's asking whether you are going to install Splunk Enterprise in your local system or in a domain account. In this specific video, we are going to install this in a local system, not in the domain account. So I'll leave it this as it is and click next. And then this is the important part. Here you need to provide a username as well as the password. This username and the password is you are going to use to log into the Splunk once it's set up completed, once it's set up done. So please keep remember this username and password. If you give something else here and if you're trying to log in with something else, it won't work. So in here username, you can give any username. Simply I will give admin, which is easy for me to remember, and then I'm going to give my simple password because this is a lab setup and it's for our home practice, so simple one is fine. It's easy to remember. And then once you've done this, you can click next and it's all over. You can simply click install and it will take little time to install the Splunk Enterprise, and then we'll see how we can work through this. There's a little pop-up for Windows, from Windows, asking allow to this installation. I did that one as well. We'll wait until this finish. It's a very quick setup. Once you've done the installation, you will get this finishing window and it says launch browser with Splunk Enterprise. If you're happy to do it, you can leave it as it is or you can untick this one. It's really up to you, and I'm gonna click finish. So this will open the Splunk in your browser in a few minutes, say like this. So it says if you are a first time user, first time login to the Splunk, you can read this username admin and the credentials. I'm gonna use username as admin and my password, which I have given during the setup process. So this is the Splunk dashboard. It's giving you some details, helping you to guide through the entire software, which means as entire system, and you can ingest the data, you can do the reporting, you can do a lot of things. So in my next videos, we will look at how we can add data into this specific enterprise server and how we can monitor threat, how we can monitor attacks using this platform. I hope this video is very helpful. I'm planning to get a series of video about Splunk Enterprise. Stay tuned guys. If you don't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. If you need another more videos, please comment in the comment section. I will try to do all those videos which you are requesting. So we'll catch up with the next video. Thank you.